So our project is called the Braille phone, and the main purpose of it is to allow the visually impaired or blind to easily make phone calls without having to remember numbers or anything of the sort. So the two components of our project are here is the Raspberry Pi, which has an audio out and a power out. The power out is plugged into a wall for the moment for sake of example, but in the final product it can be plugged into a battery bank and make calls on the go. Now the Raspberry Pi sends and receives information through this belt cable, which goes over to this little board. This LED is intentionally leaving the circuit to the board open, and when one of the buttons is pressed, it closes the circuit, lighting up the LED and sending information to the Raspberry Pi, which then interacts with our code. Now, the code and our service that we use that sends the calls takes a moment, so I'm going to process the call real fast.
Calling Opto 7247599210.
Now, while we wait for that call to go through, I'm going to discuss the buttons. This is the change contact button. This allows us to cycle through your contacts. Here's the call. And then we're going to call the next number, which is going to be Jane Doe.
Jane Doe. Calling Jane Doe.
This button right here is obviously, pardon me. This button right here is obviously the call button, and this is the decline call button. And here's our call.